Welcome to this tutorial on how to create new spreadsheets in C#. Hi everyone, today we're going to explore how to create new spreadsheets programmatically using IronXL in C#. Make sure that you have the IronXL NuGet package installed. If not, you can easily install it via the NuGet package manager. So let's move to the program.cs file and begin by setting up the necessary namespace imports and ensure your license key is set for IronXL. To create a new spreadsheet, use the workbook.create method. This initializes new workbook in memory. You can also specify the Excel file format when creating the workbook by using Excel file format.XLSX as an argument. There's another overload for the create method that takes creating options as a parameter, and this allows you to specify additional options such as the default file format. Finally, create a worksheet with a sheet name and save the newly created Excel spreadsheet to a disk using the save as method. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the spreadsheet to be created. All right, the spreadsheet can be opened using the Excel application. And there you go, that's it. Here we have our spreadsheet created. Just follow these steps. You can programmatically create new spreadsheets tailored to your needs using IronXL and C#. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to try out IronXL, go ahead and go to the trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.